In honor of DC Comics Superhero Month, we're going to do 2 eye looks today inspired by my all-time favorite couple and top 2 favorite superheroes, Starfire and Nightwing. Starting with Starfire, we're going to start off by taking a rusty red color and we're going to put it into the crease of our eyelid. Do not try to put eyeshadow on the outer corner of your eye because we're going to make a straight cut later with concealer and that will all be covered. Pack on an eyeshadow onto the lids. Take a purple highlighter and pack it on top of the purple eyeshadow. Where our eyeshadow will end, just add a little of black eyeshadow just to make it a little deeper. And then after you blend it out, just reapply a little more of that rusty red on top. Now take a concealer and cut your shadow into an angle at the end of your eyelid. After this, make sure you set it with setting powder. I am also going to apply concealer on my brow bone just to clean it up there as well. After setting your concealer, take a green or a teal liner and line where you did the cut and then clean it up and set it again. After setting the concealer, just take a beige eyeshadow and just buff everything out around it. Taking that same purple eyeshadow, we're going to apply it to our bottom lid and we're also going to put the highlighter on top of it like we did to the top. Apply that same eyeliner from our lid onto the waterline. Now I'm going to take a green highlighter and I'm not just going to highlight the inner corner, but I'm going to drag it up a little bit into the inner crease and then I'm going to highlight my brow bone. Then add mascara and you're done. Now going into Nightwing, this is optional. I put a piece of tape on the outer portion of the lid in an angle to get a wing shape with the shadow. Apply black shadow onto the lid and make sure it wings out. Using a cream-based makeup, apply with an eyeliner brush a winged line from the top of your lid, winging out connecting to the lash line. Set the cream by packing on a bright blue shadow. Then on top of that shadow, apply a blue highlighter. After this, I'm just touching up on the black shadow around the wing and inside. Apply a black shadow to your bottom lid, then apply a bright blue liner onto your waterline. Apply a neutral tone color just to your brow bone. After this, I'm taking a blue highlighter to highlight the inner corner of my eye and my brow bone, and then I'm going to apply blue mascara. To be extra, I'm also applying the blue mascara to my eyebrows, and after that, you're done. I hope you all enjoyed today's tutorial. Thank you for watching.